Hi, my name is Terry. I've lost 170 pounds with keto, carnivore, and ketovore. Hey, welcome to my channel. Here's my macros of everything I ate today. Definitely high on the carbs, but that's okay. Don't forget to click like, please. Thank you. It is Tuesday night, and that is whenever I set out my meat that I'm going to make for the next week. I pull out some cookie sheets. And I put them with foil because I do not want, let's face it, meat oftentimes will, defrost and have blood on it. And I don't want that on. I don't want one more dish to have to wash this weekend. I already have to wash the dishes from a meal prep. So these are two 93% ground beefs. One is from June. And one is from August. So I'll put those in the refrigerator. And see what's in here. It's marked July 2022. I did this the other day. We have New York strip, top sirloin, and top sirloin. So I'm going to set all this out and I'll just pop it into the refrigerator and let it defrost. Try and decide which way I want to stack it. I think that'll work. So this is what I'm going to work on this weekend, except for Sunday. Oh, but I need to pull that out too. I got to pull the chicken out. Hang on. Okay, since we're going to be making... Oh, hang on. Alexa, volume down 2. Since we're going to be making some chicken something on Sunday. I got to get this Parmesan chicken. I think that's what we're making. Chicken Parmesan. Whatever it's called, we need some chicken to defrost. So, I need to pull out a dealie. Gotta have something to put it in. And yes, I understand I'm wasting Reynolds Wrap. And I know soap is cheap. I know it, but that's just how I roll. I got too much to wash on meal prep day. So I'm going to leave all these in the refrigerator and let them defrost. And these are the things that I'll be cooking up this weekend. Okay, see you later. Okay, we got 1 minute till Kim Howerton. If y'all don't watch her live, what are you doing with your life? That woman is amazing. You need to go 7 o'clock on Tuesdays on YouTube. Kim Howerton goes live and she answers all questions and very, very educational. She's the one that kind of pushed me over the edge of, she broke my 8-month stall. So if you're not watching her. So I'm taking 50 grams of tomatoes. I'm going to take 50 grams of blueberries. Like I said, tomorrow I'm not really sure how it's going to go. Depends on if we get snow or not. If we get snow, then I'll probably just be at my office. But if we don't get snow, then I'm going to one of the outer offices that's about an hour away. So I'm going to have my Sloppy Joes tomorrow. And I'll have tomatoes. I'll have blueberries. I'm going to have 100 grams, sweet potatoes. I'm going to have my bun, my egg bun muffin, and my the egg bun for the Sloppy Joe. And then this poor squished egg muffin. And I'm going to take some, a mixture of the Polynesian and honey mustard for my dip for the sweet potatoes. So 15 grams of this one. and 15 grams of the honey mustard. All right, now that's that. I'll put it in my little Ziploc bag so it don't spill. Don't want it to peel. No peel. And then I'm going to put it way down at the bottom. All right. So there we go. All right. Let's go watch Kim Howerton. And there's my coffee for in the morning. I microwave 20 ounces of water to add to it. Sometimes it's over, sometimes under, but around 20 ounces. And you can go in my specialty prep videos, and it has things like my egg muffin and my coffee. I put them all together so that way it's in one spot. Okay, gotta go. Go watch Kim Howerton. She's amazing. Bye. Look, that's what's outside my work building. Got snow. It's really slushy. It's not the kind that sticks because it's 32 degrees, so it hasn't really frozen. So it scoops up real fast. This would be that real good snow fight weather, or snow fort. Well, not a fort because it would melt pretty fast. But you can see it's already melting. It's already melting off our roof and off the road. So roads weren't bad at all. Okay, happy Wednesday. So I won't be making my trip today. Hello, it's breakfast time. I've got my egg muffin, and one of my coworkers has some trail mix. So I've got two walnuts. Well, 2 pieces of walnut. So I'm gonna have 2 walnut pieces with my muffin. Okay, see you at lunch. Hello, it's lunchtime. I've got my sweet potatoes. So for my sloppy joe, what I did was I took my little egg muffin, or not egg, my egg bun, and I tore it into bite-sized pieces. And that way I can just use a spoon, which I was using anyway, and just scoop it out this way instead of having to cut up the little egg bun. So I can just scoop it out. And so that I've got my sloppy joe, my egg buns, and I have my tomatoes. I plugged everything in last night so I don't have to think about it. I put them on my plate, and my little blueberries. Oh, and my dip, my Polynesian and honey mustard dip. I got that. It's that's for my sweet potatoes. So that's good stuff. So okay, bye. I had a coworker come in, so I had to cut it short. So yeah, we've got our tomatoes and our sweet potatoes and our dip, and then the blueberries, and then my egg bun and sloppy joes. What I was going to tell you all is that I know you've asked if I get hungry early or whatever, if I look at my food and wonder if it's enough. So today, probably about 10 o'clock, my stomach was not growling, but my brain was saying, food, food, feed me. So I drank a whole bunch more water, and that settled my brain down. So, there are definitely days whenever, in between meals or just a little bit early, I know that I don't need to add more food, and my stomach is literally not growling. It's just my brain says, oh, I'm bored, let me eat, or oh, I'm tired of thinking, let me eat. It's just my brain, da 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 da. So that happened today, and so I just chugged some of my water, and it appeased my brain, and I was able to get back to work, and it's now like 11:45. So yeah, so just thought I'd let you know that I definitely have days where my brain's like, I want to eat something, give me something, come on. It acts like a little, toddler. I want it now. So anyway, but by chugging water, I was able to push it off to whenever an appropriate time, because I only eat 3 meals a day, so I don't want to eat too early and then be starving by the time I get home from work. So that's how I've been handling it. This week it's been a little bit like that. So I have been drinking less than what I did over the summer and fall. So I'm trying to add more water to help myself understand that your stomach's not growling. You just want something. Okay, bye. Look how quiet it is. He's eating, he's eating, he's eating, and she's eating. Everybody's eating. Everything is all good. He eats fast and then bugs everybody, so I have this little spiral thing, and you put food down in it, and he has to lick it out of there. And it slows him down. So see, he's done. She's still eating, and he's still eating, and he's the last one. He's just slow. He's like lollygag, everything he does. So, yeah, that's why I have to do this one. So that way he finishes up, and then he don't go harass nobody. See, she's still eating too. Okay, back to the food. Supper tonight, we're going to do 1 serving of broccoli slaw. Which is 85 grams. Okay. And then we're going to do 1 serving of tricolored cabbage, which is 85 grams. So what I'm going to do is these two basically have the same stuff in them. So I think I'm going to mix them. Although no, because broccoli goes bad faster. So never mind. I'll have them in their own separate bags. Anyway, so then I'm going to add 10 grams of these. By the way, my carbs are high today. I think they're like 51, 52. But, you know. Okay, 10 grams. Okay. Then we're going to have one serving of Skinny Girl Honey Dijon and 1 serving of raspberry vinaigrette. So I'll zero it out. And that's 30 grams of each. The microwave's beeping because we have chicken pot pie in the microwave ready to go. Alright. And I'm going to top it off with some just a pinch of Greek seasoning. I know it's far away. I'm going to try to do some zooming action with the camera. We'll see if it works. So that, and then some, where'd it go? Some sesame seeds. All right. And that, oh wait, no. So, pot pie and salad. That is my supper tonight. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day.